From the depths of the ocean to the freezing Antarctic and even the scorching heat of the Sahara, life finds a way to survive. Today we're diving into the world of extremophiles, animals that live in the harshest conditions on Earth. Let's discover 11 extraordinary creatures and their incredible adaptations. First on our list is the Common Fangtooth, a deep-sea dweller that survives in the bathyal zone, up to 16,000 feet below the ocean's surface. With its oversized fangs and bioluminescent organs, it thrives in near-freezing temperatures and crushing pressures, hunting prey in the darkness of the deep sea. Next, we travel to the Antarctic to meet the Emperor Penguin, the largest of all penguins. These birds survive blizzards and temperatures as low as -60 degrees Celsius by huddling together and using their thick blubber for insulation. They even breed on ice, with the males incubating eggs for 65 days. In the depths of the Pacific Ocean, we find the giant tube worm thriving in the toxic heat of hydrothermal vents. With no mouth or stomach, it relies on bacteria in its body to convert sulfur into energy, a perfect example of symbiotic survival. High in the Himalayas, at altitudes of up to 22,000 feet, lives the Himalayan jumping spider. This tiny creature survives extreme cold and low oxygen by regulating its body temperature and feeding on insects blown to its rocky home by the wind. Discovered in hydrothermal vents, the Pompeii worm can survive temperatures of up to 80 degrees Celsius. Its unique adaptation, a heat-resistant tail, and a symbiotic relationship with bacteria that provide food and protection from chemicals. The red flatbark beetle is a master of surviving freezing temperatures. Thanks to a natural antifreeze called glycerol, it prevents its cells from freezing and thrives in subarctic forests. The Sahara Desert Ant is built to endure the scorching heat of the Sahara Desert. Its reflective hairs and water-storing organ help it survive blistering temperatures while traveling long distances for food. In Siberia's frozen wilderness, the Siberian Salamander survives temperatures as low as -45 degrees Celsius by producing antifreeze substances and entering a hibernation-like state. Perhaps the most famous extremophile, the tardigrade, can survive anything from radiation and dehydration to the vacuum of space. Its secret lies in a state called cryptobiosis, where it shuts down all metabolic activity. The vampire squid, with its eerie glow and unique ability to switch between aerobic and anaerobic metabolism, thrives in low oxygen, high pressure environments. Its glowing arms confuse predators and attract prey. Finally, the wood frog survives freezing winters by producing glucose that acts as a natural antifreeze. This allows it to hibernate until spring, making it a true survivor of North America's cold climates. From the ocean depths to the icy tundra, these animals remind us of the incredible resilience of life. Their adaptations not only inspire wonder, but also hold secrets that could benefit humankind. Which animal amazed you the most? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more incredible animal stories.